Hello and welcome. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia on a very hot day. So I've got the air conditioning going in my studio. Thankfully I have that. So I know that lots of you are saying don't complain about the heat, we're freezing, and I feel so sorry for you. I have lived in a cold country for a long time when I lived in the UK, so I know what it's like, and I definitely would prefer the heat to the cold, I must say. So definitely so sorry for you guys that are suffering in the heat. But I hope to bring you some lightness and joy. I hope with my next weird combination of colours in my pour. Now I'm looking for something, this is just a, hopefully it's going to turn out a sweet little one that I'm doing for a friend. So just looking for something to trace kind of a circle to give me a guide. And do you think I've been looking for the right size and cannot find anything? Maybe. Oh, that's an odd shape. Oh, that's an odd shape. Oh, maybe that's for another day. I do the colander pour. That's an odd shape, but maybe kind of that will do. I shouldn't use pencil or texter. I should be using chalk, but I haven't got chalk. So I'm just going to kind of, maybe I'll do this shape. That's kind of weird shape, but I'll stick to it. It's kind of like a vase, but that's obviously I bought this to do a pour with, so maybe this week I will do the colander pour in this little dinky colander. I think I need some holes taken off there, so otherwise the paint will all collect. Anyway, that's another time, but it's looking for one thing and then I find another. So you definitely should use chalk if you're marking your canvas, for sure. Now this was leftover mixture, don't ask me. I even mixed reds and green. I mixed all sorts. It definitely had a lime red and a pink in there. So it's gone this dusty pink colour. And you know, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use these odd bods of colour and see what I come out with. You never know, it might be absolutely beautiful and it could be darn awful. Okay, with my offset spatula, just give it a little push around so the paint goes around your canvas and tips over your edges. But edges are never a big worry because you can always finish off your edges at the end, or you can go over you and coat them a completely different colour, or if they're going in a little frame, which I hope this one will because it's for a gift. But if it turns out yuck, I obviously will not be giving it to my friend. Can't do that. Not even my enemy would I give yucky ones to. I tell you, I just wouldn't do it. I'm having lots of people saying to me, oh, I'm doing your same recipe, Jilly, and I'm doing your balloon kisses exactly, but mine are turning out. And, you know, they post some photos and they're just brilliant. They're not the same as mine, but, you know, that should, what's that saying? Comparison is the killer of joy. And it is so true. Don't compare yourself to others. You don't have to look at your own work and think, well, it's not exactly the same as Jilly's or whoever you may be trying to, you know, that's not what this is about. Us YouTube artists are here to kind of give you directions, but the creativity then of what you make is all your own. It's not, you know, it shouldn't belong to anyone else but you. So that's it. Comparison is the killer of joy, and don't compare, because I'm absolutely sure that what you're creating is just beautiful, and you be confident in it too. It doesn't have to be the same. So okay, that was that crazy colour. I'm using, they're basically all the global acrylics. So that's just the white. It's mixed with my pouring medium that I have in the drop down box. This is the metallic copper. So yeah, it is a bit of a mishmash of colours, but I'm really hoping, and a little bit of prayer, that this turns out quite nice. This is a little bit of, it was called Sand from Global. I had it quite a while ago, so I'm not sure if they still do the same tone, but it is actually a lovely tone when you're doing these kind of colours. So I've got to put a bit of gold. Go for gold. Go for gold. Okay, go for gold. Right, now I've got this real, this is burnt umber, and I mixed it with black because I wanted a real dark brown, and then I mixed a little bit of the iridescent medium, which gives it a sparkle. If you're in Australia, we get these from Capriole Shabby Chic, but if you're in the US, you may be able to get hold of the dragonfly glaze, which, you know, I've poured dragonfly glaze of any colour into any colour, and it just makes it shimmer. So that's a really good one. So I've put some of that into this, and the brown is just glistening, which obviously you cannot see from your end, but trust me, it is. It is. So brown and the dust, this dark brown and the dusty pink, hopefully, hopefully, fingers crossed, will be nice. So what I'm going to do first is, this is what I've pre-made up, is my Amsterdam standard titanium white, and I've mixed it with floetrol in these bottles that I just got sent from Capriole Shabby Chic. Great for, I've mixed quite a load of paints up, and they've got the airtight lid, so perfect, you know, for mixing paints. But this is a good one for me to keep the Amsterdam in different colours with floetrol, because just Amsterdam paint on its own, mixed with anybody's floetrol, creates, they have a different formula, I'm pretty sure, and they create some really nice cells. So I'm going to put some Amsterdam paint in there because I want to see what I can get when I blow it in this real mixy match of colours. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Wowzers trousers. Who'd have thought, who'd have funked that that colour would be, it's the brown I think that's with that dusty pink is quite nice. Ugh, always get an itchy nose. I really think that I need to leave this paint to dry off a little bit. Cells coming up are just delicious. I've got such an itchy nose. I think I need to let the paint absorb into the canvas. I will give it, I say this to you every time, and I don't do it. I'm going to give it one big kiss, and I'm going to see what it, oh shikers, I've just flicked white paint all over a great big gallery wrap canvas that I've done previously. I am not having a good week, so I'm going to just, wow. Wow, okay, I can work with that. It's my naughty dog. Benson, be good. I'm just actually doing this and it's actually absorbing the can. I'm taking the paint off on my balloon, which is absolutely fine as long as you keep cleaning your balloon off in between each balloon kiss. Wow, I have not done that colour combination, and you know it is just gorgeous. Oh, flipping floppers. Who'd have thunk? Who'd have thunked it, thinked it, thunked it, whatever you call it. Like I said, if you're not really confident with your balloon kisses, you've got to walk away and let your canvas just absorb some of that paint for at least half an hour and then come back. But because I know that I can push the boundaries because I'm used to doing it so much, then what I did was keep working that balloon. And this is just a little balloon with a little bit of water. Well, it's just an ordinary size balloon with water in it. I just use it until it becomes basically a dumper, till it breaks. But look at the effects that you can get. It's just magical. It just really makes something magic. Okie doke. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to whiz over this now with the heat wand. I don't use very often butane anymore. Far less dangerous using a heat wand that's used for embossing. That is a very sweet little painting, and that will definitely get a nice coat of varnish and gifted to my friend. She likes pink, dusty pink and browns. Call it old fashioned, but she loves it. That is a stunner. I'm really, really happy with that. I hope you like that. It is. I'm going to finish off around the edges of my canvas. It's gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. Happy, happy, happy. Happy Jan. So there you go. I'm going to finish off my edges. There'll be some photos of the dry painting on at the end. Please join me again tomorrow. I am here every single day, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Costs you absolutely nothing. So until tomorrow, you guys, please take care of yourselves. If you're in a cold country, please keep warm. If you're sad and lonely and need a friend, call a friend or family, or call a help centre. But there is always somebody there to talk to you and help you. Never alone. Okie doke. Until tomorrow, my friends. Bye for now.